back with another one who's feeling lucky. This one makes me feel like he's gonna win this one. But I'm not sure. He will tell us. I'm still your boy. Because I start to teach him not the kitchen. I start to get a sheep. We still come to but think about his on the Chinese Sabantu. Most show no mapian. So, Peranjam now, my rules. 100 rand up for grabs na yagu cameraman. The clipper. Yeah. Clipper. La anak na manamba. La mapepa la wala. No, sell I6. Yang bam. Wena uzoketheli 1. Inamba. Bese kulelo namba kunamagama ay-3 wamampela wama-celebrity. Mina ngizobiza lawo magama wamampela wena kumele ngitsho ukuthi bazibiza ngabo ba. Uyabamba ne? So phela nje yami lana from 1 to 9. Uzokhetha inamba e1. Kodwa uzokhipha u9 no7 no4. Abasekho egamini la. Yeah. So are you ready? I'm ready. I will see. Also fast na mateke njama you are ready for sure. Ngicela uzibambele imic ukhetha inamba njalo. Come. What's up? What's up, my million?
You are slow learner. Fucking idiot.
479.
479.
What's up? 2. He's feeling like number 2. Uzositshela ubuthi ukuthi uyabathi labantu kanjani. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, abuthi. Themba, Sunny Boy, Sikowe. Thule bandle.
Manje like
Wena mele usuthi usibiza ngobani lo muntu?
Celebrity.
Yeah.
Ngimtaba.
Siseka ke.
This one, number 2, Untsika yesizwe David Junior Ngobo.
Ngeke futhi.
Uya give up. Take a wild guess mntana wami.
Vujisha.
Okay, number 3, last one njami wayilahla lana high. Amamiliyoni ahambile. Thembeni Ndevu. And final, they always told you it was the easiest, my boy.
But in big trouble, nothing is coming right.
This was your team. Thembeni Ndevu.
Benzo bana.
Yeah.
Amas, okay, ngayifani njama. Naba abantu bakho nje yami, nawo amagama wabo la.
Amakafe.
Bafethu nibonile asihopi umuntu. Imali isesandleni saka cameraman na amaphepha la kimi. Mangabe uyawazi ama celebrity wakho uzothathela 100 rand la mahala. 100 rand. Awuthi sibabonise 100 rand la mahala mfethu. 3 names. You guess them right, you get clip and page. Next contender. Okay, ungayivala njani. Bathu bayinyaka 100 rand bayinyaka halimpona limpitse Mr. 100 rand. That's my new name. So Pega, Abuti, you know the rules, right? Yeah. You pick one lucky number. Each paper here. Hey, you're making noise. Each stop it up on page. Kirikole dia fit aba haye suri mo strateng. HRTN TV is where we at. And I'm still your boy. Because I start to kitchen, get a chatting sheep. We must become celebrating cabazon. It's just about to show no mapiano. Abuti, Vampiri elingwe inale mabito amararo. Real names of celebrities. I'ma call out their names. You tell me their state name. You get all 3 of them. It's yours. Asropani uzoyithola ku Mr. Cameraman. You feeling lucky? Okay, we're left with I think 4 papers now. So from 1 up to 9, number 4, number 7, number 9, then number 2, battery. So you can pick any number apart from those ones. Please go with mic since you're feeling lucky. Get a number.
Give me number 3.
Number 3. Lucky number 3. Nango, yes, kumera with lucky number 3. Matota kita nangatata le mali. Uphelile umdlalo uphelile.
Siseka ke.
Number 1. Ntokozo Mhluli. I need you to tell us his name.
South African artist.
Yeah, all of them. We only do South African. That's like an OG. That's an OG. And we're also timing you. That's an OG.
So, Chandra, must I ask questions?
I can't give you more clues like that.
Okay.
Yeah, but his name is Ntokozo Mhluli. He's an OG, my God. Okay, let's say hip hop. That's the last one. After this, either you forfeit or you know what? Ntokozo Mdluli.
Ah, pass. No,
Pass,
no.
Monaka.
Vujisha. Vujisha.
Number 2, Lesego Kyle Munyandu.
Yo.
Lesego Kyle Munyandu.
Ah, pass.
We're in big trouble. Nothing is coming right.
Kanje. Last option.
I think we are
Hambile. No, this one is the easiest. Jabulani Hateb. Oh, cheese. Jabulani Hateb.
Are you dog? You pulling out real niggas?
Yes, real names. Dog.
Benzo bana.
Sibuyile ngale challenge lethu le Wundra. We have a lucky contestant Ilana. She's feeling lucky at yena uyawazi ama celebrity walana eMzansi and angawathola wonke way3 athathe le clipper. But nazi, without any further ado, Mr. Cameraman, sicela ubambe le clipper mfethu bangathi siyabaropa. My sister, mawuthola lama answer clipper lakho ubonile bangithi. Na yaza siqale singakasho ukuthi senze njani. We are still rolling like the party. And I'm still your boy. Inkosi estrato mgijima ndoda gijima estrateni ngena ehlathini shiphu bese likhamisile bathi inkaba izondi drivisa abantu ngoshuna amapiyano.
Vujisha. Vujisha.
There's 4 papers in here. And kula maphepha ayi-4 kunamagama ayi-3. Real names of artists and their stage names. Are you feeling lucky?
Yeah.
Okay. Ngicela uzibambele imic ungathi kuthathele inkani. So my sister lana ne ngizokhipha ama number angasekho. These are the numbers that you cannot call out. Number 3, number 9, number 2, number 7, and number 4. So pick any number from 1 up to 9.
1.
Lucky number 1. When I'm 2, so when not uzoyithatha le mali yami. This one's gonna take my money. She won't take my help. Number 1. Letiwe Sibiya. It's a she, and she does my piano.
This person I'm thinking of is also a DJ.
Kuluma mtanam.
Sisekake.
Sister Katsahamba, we are timing you.
Kuhle.
Wrong!
Yeah.
This one, if you don't get it, my sister, I don't know. Rifilwe Maele Polo. Yeah.
Guys, I don't listen to Amapiano.
No, this one is a hip-hop.
Hip-hop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ungamtela, but it won't count. So ungamtela.
No, don't tell me it. Eh?
You were listening to him in the morning. Kimang no mame to sing.
Nagmamit gospel sing.
Benzo bana. Yeah.
Maljera boy.
No, Maklera's not Maklera, but it's wrong. It's okay, you will see the answers. That one is a she. Her stage name is derivative of a real name. Her real name is Nomuzi Mapena. Tell me her stage name. I can give you a clue, because you already lost. They used to call her the Skanda Queen.
We're in big trouble. Nothing is coming right.
Nandi.
No. Wrong! Give yourself a Hey guys, nisibonela sikopanga muntu simnike ithuba samnika nama-clues. No one is taking this clipper home. Sobona another. No one is taking this clipper by the looks of it. But asazi. Issue. Wundra up for grabs. 3 names, 3 options. You get them all right. Clipper is yours. I'm still your boy Nkosi estrato mgijima ndoda gijima estrateni ngena ehlathini shiphu bese likhamisile bathi inkaba ayizondi ijayivisa abantu ngoshuni wamapiyano. Welele.
Sisekake.
My sister, you know the rules. There's 3 papers left here. Each paper has 3 options, 3 real names of celebrities and their stage names. Should you get them all 3 right, you are taking this clipper home. Clipper ya gago ke le go cameraman o tla kry go yena ne. Yeah, so my sister kopa o itshwarele mic. Ska re unkela di intlantla. So the only numbers that we have now is 5, 6, and 8. Please choose one.
5, 6, and 8. 1.
Benzo bana. Yeah.
No. Only 5, 6, and 8. Those are the numbers you can choose for.
5.
5. Lucky number 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 5. Okay. 100 rand up for grabs. If she gets all three of them right, she's taking the clipper home, man. Number 1, Mandisa Khatebe.
Who's she or he?
It's a she. She's a DJ. I'm a piano DJ.
DJ Gogo.
Yeah.
DJ Gogo.
Who?
DJ Gogo.
Okay, that one is right. That one is right. Round of applause. Yes, yes.
Manje ngathola 2 kwenzakalani?
Awutsheli lokho.
Ma.
Okay, number 2, Lethabo Sibito. It's a he with a piano. Lethabo Sibito. You gotta tell us his stage name. What's that my chance? What's that 100 rand? Hi, boy.
Yo.
Hi, boy.
Budisha. Ah, Budisha.
If you don't know, just take a wild guess. You might never know. You might get it right. Mudi muhafani kaliata.
Yo. Ngiyadilo. Kiyamtsiba kisamnahana.
Mwana kanako na.
Why?
Something sweet.
It's a DJ. Ufahlu. Wabona hore the way ku foster nang kating. It's a DJ. And it's a he. Luyanda Ndlovu. What's that my chance? What's that 100 rand? It's true. Tell us, my sister. Tell us. Tell us.
Hi.
Ashopi muntu.
DJ Jezik or one.
Okay, no, you tried. Come and see your options. Uzamile, at least you got one. She's the only one I think who got one without anyone's help. So yeah, man, you know.
But in big trouble, nothing is coming right.
The first one umtoti, Kibaba by 2. Hey, Chartini TV, that's where it's at. Ashopi muntu, we're just having fun. Let's get it right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this show.